Okay, boys and girls, we're up to lesson 1.3 in our science lesson called Investigating Habitats. Now, when you investigate a habitat, it's when you're acting like a detective. That's why I have a nice little magnifying glass here. So we're going to be observing. We're using our five senses to observe plants and animals in our habitats. Okay, so remember the last lesson, we noticed how scientists studied habitats. So they studied it a certain way. A lot of them measured, they used their eyes, they smelled, they tasted things. So today what we're going to do is we're going to look at this. And in the last lesson, we read my nature notebook. And how did the child in that book study her habitat? We know she marked a spot with a string and observed it. Remember, she watched it over time. She measured, she counted, and she recorded her observations. When you record your observation, you write it down. You make a record of it. So today we're going to investigate our own sample study sites, just like the child in the book. When we read my nature notebook, we set a purpose for reading. So why did we do this? We wanted to find out how we can study habitats. Scientists also set a purpose for investigating. This helps them make sure they learn what they want to learn from their investigations. So today, let's investigate plants or flowers in our neighborhood. I will pick a plant I have outside my house. So since it's autumn, I love mums, and I especially love these kind of mums, this color. So I'm going to investigate and observe what is so special about these mums. So first I want to actually do my site. Okay, what does it look like? So right now I'm looking at the mums, and the color of these mums are actually orange. So I'm going to say the color is orange. Well, that was simple, right? I could also measure it with my ruler, and when I measured it, it was only 10 inches long. So you can do that too. Get your ruler and measure it. So you can do a couple of things with the site. Also, I actually used my sense of smell, and I personally think flowers smell sweet. So I'm going to put that in. The mums smell sweet. I'm going to make that a little smaller so we can see it. Great. And then the last thing is my sense of touch. So for my sense of touch, I'm just going to put it here because I lost my picture through all this. And I'm going to tell you that when I touch these mums, they feel very soft. They're not hard. Some plants are hard, like if you touch a cactus, they feel spiky and hard. But mums feel super soft. So I'm going to say the mums feel soft. Okay. And I just investigated my neighborhood. Okay. I investigated just one plant, my mums. Now what I want you kids to do today is I want you to write your plant name here. So I wrote mums, and your investigation, what you see, what you smell. I wouldn't want you to eat a plant if you're not supposed to eat it, but if it's like a food plant, you can taste it, like if you chose an apple. Okay, I want you to use your five senses. I want you to measure and tell me all about your plant. So please, boys and girls, write this in your notebook and submit it on Google Classroom. I'm so excited to see your work. Good luck.